Runway 210 United 1734.
Qantas 18 Heavy, LA Tower, runway 25 right, line up and wait at the shoreline, turn left heading 210.
Line up right, runway 25 right, Qantas 18 Heavy at the shoreline, turn 210.
Qantas 12 Super, LA Tower, Causeway turns, you'll be number 2 behind company off the parallel runway, runway 25 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 25 left, Qantas 12 Super.
Delta 881, contact SoCal departure.
Forward is departure, Delta 81, good night.
Good night. Delta 1967, LA Tower, taxi full length.
Full length 1967.
Qantas 18 Heavy at the shoreline, turn left heading 210, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 25 right at the shoreline, left 210, Qantas 18.
Philippine 103 Heavy, LA Tower, Causeway turbulence. You're following a Super A380 off the parallel runway, runway 25 right. Line up and wait. Opposite direction traffic is landing the north complex.
Roger that, 25 right, line up and wait, Philippine 103 Heavy.
United 1734, contact SoCal departure.
Roger that, 1734.
Qantas 12 Super at the shoreline, turn left heading 210, runway 25 left, clear for takeoff.
Shoreline, turn left heading 210, clear for takeoff 25 left, Qantas 12 Super.
Qantas 18 Heavy, turn left now heading 210.
Left 210, Qantas 18.
Qantas 18 Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
Takeoff departure, Qantas 18 Heavy.
Who is that? I'm sorry, who's asking a question? This is tower frequency. Who wants the clearance? Was it China Sub 328 Super? Taxi. If you want a clearance, you have to contact ground 0.75. Qantas 12 Super, turn left now heading 210.
That's what we're doing, Qantas 12.
Qantas 12 Super, contact SoCal departure.
Full departure, Qantas 12 Super.